G'day guys, welcome back to the channel and thanks for watching. In today's video I'm going to see if the spare clutch sleeve that came with my Hillman is salvageable and if we can rebuild it. So this is the clutch housing here underneath the car. So what it does is it receives clutch fluid when you depress the clutch. It comes in through this pipe here on the left hand side and then forces a piston forward, which then pushes on that rod, which then activates the lever which disengages the clutch. Pretty simple piece of engineering, but very effective. They do wear out and they do need to be replaced, or you can buy rebuild kits for them as well. Okay, so I'll show you the inside of the clutch sleeve and what it comprises of. So it has this rubber boot here, like a dust cover, and then inside is this piston which sits inside the bore here, which is attached to a spring which is attached to this rubber piece inside the bore. Yeah, so that sits inside the bore, has a little hole in there for the fluid to go into. And obviously it pressurizes and then pushes this piston up. I'm wondering if this is the original clutch sleeve that was on the car. There seems to be quite a bit of rust inside the bore. Maybe a little bit hard to see in there. It feels smooth and I can't feel any pitting inside the bore. There's no pitting on the piston there either. I think this is salvageable. You can buy new kits for these. I just have to check that they come with a spring, because that spring is gone, to see if you can get a new one of these. This is looking worn as well. And the kit also comes with a boot, and it comes with a seal, a rubber seal which goes over the piston. So I think this is salvageable, and we'll keep it as a spare clutch sleeve. You can still buy a brand new clutch sleeve, but they are quite expensive, and it is cheaper just to rebuild them. So if we can get away with that, then we'll do that. Okay guys, just a quick video on whether this clutch sleeve was salvageable or not. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one.